How to attend congregation meetings in Zoom from an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. In this video, we'll learn how to install Zoom in your mobile device, what settings we need to change before the meeting, how to join a meeting, how to give comments, how to give talks and present demonstrations, and how to conduct question and answer discussions. First, how to install Zoom. Visit the web page from your browser or click on the link in the video description. From our device's internet browser, we can visit zoom.us/support/download. Automatically, the App Store or Play Store will open and we will be able to install Zoom. Second, settings you need to change before the meeting. Open Zoom and click on the gear icon. Press in Meetings. Activate the options Always mute my microphone and Always turn off my video. Scroll down and disable the Show Non-Video Participants and Show Name when participants join options. Enable the Always Show Meeting Controls option. Now go up and press on Auto Connect to Audio. By default, Zoom does not connect to the meeting audio automatically, so we need to press the Use Internet option. If we don't, we won't be able to hear anything. Now, let's go back to the Zoom home screen. Third, how to join the meeting. Press the Join a Meeting button. You do not need to create an account to attend a congregation meeting in Zoom. You just need to enter a 9 or 10-digit number that a brother must have sent you. Below, type your name or the name of your family so other brothers in the meeting can know who you are. Now press on Join. Okay, we're finally in the meeting. You might have received an invitation link instead of a number. In that case, just press on the link to join the meeting. If we're using Zoom for the first time, Zoom is going to ask us for permission to access the microphone. Give this permission right now, or else you'll have to enter the device settings to activate the microphone, and that can be much more complicated. Then, Zoom will ask for permission to send us notifications, and we will also give this permission. Inside the meeting, please make sure your microphone and camera are turned off, unless you are instructed otherwise. Fourth, how to give comments. To raise your hand, press More, and then on Raise Hand. If the conductor allows you to talk, press the microphone icon at the bottom left to turn on your microphone and speak. When you are finished speaking, press that icon again to turn off your microphone. Remember that when the icon is red, others cannot hear you, and when it is not red, others can hear you. Also, don't forget to lower your hand. Press the More button again and press the Lower Hand option. In some cases, only the host can turn your microphone on. If this is the case, when the host turns on your microphone for the first time, you will see this notification, and you must press the Unmute Now option. Fifth, how to present talks, readings, and demonstrations. If you have a talk, Bible reading, or demonstration, click on the microphone icon and the camera icon. If this is the first time you're taking part in a meeting, Zoom will ask for permission to access your camera. After you're done, don't forget to turn off your microphone and turn off your camera. If you forget to start your video, or if you can't do it yourself, the host will ask you to start your video and you'll see the notification. Click on OK. Please remember, when the camera icon is red, others can't see you. When the camera icon is not red, everyone can see you. You'll need to use the JW Library app on other devices because if you use the JW Library app with the same device during the meeting, your camera will be turned off. In some congregations, some brothers also turn on their cameras when they give a comment. Please follow local instructions. Some recommendations. Activate the Do Not Disturb mode on your device before the meeting. Turn on a lamp or sit in front of a window to better illuminate your face. Use a microphone or wear headphones with a microphone so that others can hear you better. Keep your device connected to the charger if you're giving a talk. Sit as close as possible to your device. Sixth, how to conduct question and answer discussions. After asking a question, press the Participants button to see who is raising their hand. In this example, we see that John is raising his hand. So let's name him loudly and clearly so that he knows he has to turn on his microphone and give a comment. Brother John, your comment please. Extra. Sign language congregations. In sign language congregations, please turn on your camera instead of turning on your microphone when giving comments, talks, and demonstrations. That's it for this video. If you see anything not covered here, don't touch it, unless a responsible brother tells you otherwise. If you have questions, ask the brothers in charge in your congregation. Here are more videos that you may find useful. If you'll be joining a meeting from your computer instead of a mobile device, here is a video for you. If you are a host and want to know how to create and properly manage congregation meetings in Zoom, here's a guide for you.